Hello children, welcome back. Today I am teaching 10th class real numbers, first chapter, the last exercise we are doing. So before going to do the chapter, let us go to the proverb. The proverb that says here is, empty vessels make more noise. What do you mean by this? Empty vessels. You know, every one of us have got this experience. When you just throw an empty vessel or when you just mingle them, they will go clicking noise a lot. Why do we learn this proverb or why do we understand this? Because it has a lot of relation with our human mentality. The people who have very less knowledge in them, but they wanted to boast themselves. They talk a lot about unknown things. We feel that, yes, they are talking so much. So, they might be really learned persons, very knowledgeable persons. I am nothing in front of them. This kind of thought, what happens to it makes you to go into depression. Actually, children, the one who has a thorough knowledge in them, they don't feel like to boast themselves. They will not have that intention of boasting and let the others recognize them. That will not be there with them. They only will feel that, let me do my job, that's all. So children, be careful. Those who are boasting are not always the best persons. So judge properly. Okay? Now let us come back to the lesson. This is our Telangana state syllabus, 10th class and real numbers. And in this real numbers, we are doing exercise 1.5. In this exercise 1.5, let us start with the first one. Determine the value. Determine the value of the following. What is this determining the value of the following? The question here, you have got various laws, children, basing on the laws and some few more laws which we have not learnt earlier. One or two laws are there. That also will be included in this. Let me explain. The first one is log 5 to the base 25. You have to find the value. So, what we will consider? Let us consider log 5 to the base 25 is equal to x. What does this imply? 25 to the power of x is equal to 5. That means what, children? 25 means 5 square to the power of x is equal to 5. That means 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 5. So, bases are equal, so powers will be equal. There is no power means 1. So, we will say that 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, log 5 to the base 25 is equal to 1 by 2 is your answer for this bit. Let us go to the second bit. Log 3 to the base 81. Log 3 to the base 81. Let us suppose that log 3 to the base 81 is equal to x. What does this imply? 81 to the power of x is equal to, what you have got? 81 to the power of x is equal to 3. 81, when you write the prime factors, we have to do with the 3. When we are doing with the 3, 3 2s are 3 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. So what we are getting? 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 3. Bases are same. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of x. This x you have to say. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of x is equal to 3. That means 3 to the power of 4x is equal to 3. Bases are same and equal, power should be equal. Here nothing means 1. So we will say that 4x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, 81 log 3 to the base 81. So the problem is log 3 to the base 81 is equal to 1 by 4. This is the answer for the second bit. Now go to the third bit. Log 1 by 16 to the base 2. This is the problem. So let us say that let log 1 by 16 to the base 2 is equal to x. What does this imply? 2 to the power of x is 1 by 16. That means 2 to the power of x is equal to 16 when you do 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. That is 1 by 2 to the power of 4. This can also be written as 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of minus 4. Reciprocal form, when you write, what you will do? You will change the sign of the power. So plus 4 becomes minus 4. So what are you getting x? X as minus 4. Therefore, log 1 by 16 to the base 2 is equal to minus 4. This is the answer, children. Minus 4. So I hope you have followed. You copy this, then I will be doing the next sums. Now, we will go to the fourth bit. Fourth bit is log 1 to the base 7. This is fourth bit, children. Log 1 to the base 7. You have got a law here, children. This we have not got it in your properties. Log 1 to any base n is equal to 0. Log unity to any base is equal to 0. Base can be written as n, or you can write to any base a is equal to 0. Okay, children. So let us say let log 1 to the base 7 is equal to x. We are going to prove this. What does this imply? 7 to the power of x is equal to 1. See, children, we can do this problem only when we have same bases. That means I should write 1 as base 7. How can I write 1 as base 7? Any number to the power of 0 is 1. You know that. So I can write it as 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 to the power of 0. So what you can say? X is equal to 0. Therefore, what I am getting? Log 1 to the base 7 is equal to 0 is the answer. This is one more law, children, which you have not got it when we were doing that properties. Log unity to any base. The property says that log unity means 1. Log unity to any base is always equal to 0. With this, if you get it in objective, you need not worry. Directly you can put 0 as the answer if it is in objective. Subjective, we have done now how it has to be done. Fifth one, log root x to the base x. Let us suppose that log root x to the base x is equal to, already see, we have been taking x here. So let me take some value p, because we will be confused if we take like this. What do you understand? X to the power of p is equal to root x. That means what, children? X to the power of p is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2. Root x means 1 by 2. Therefore, p is equal to 1 by 2. What is p? Log root x to the base x is equal to 1 by 2 is your answer. Okay. Now, let us go to the next one. That is sixth problem. The sixth problem is log 512 to the base 2. Let us suppose log 512 to the base 2 is equal to x. This implies 2 to the power of x is equal to 512. So take 512. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. How many 2s you have got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2s. That means 2 to the power of x can be written as 2 to the power of 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9. So, log 512 to the base 2 is equal to 9. This is the answer, children. Copy all these 3 bits. Now, we will go to the next problem. The next problem is 7th bit. Log 0.01 to the base 10. Let us suppose that log 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to x. What does this imply? 10 to the power of x is 0.01. This can also be written as 1 by 100, children. After 1, 2 digits are there, so we will be keeping 2 zeros here. Okay. That means 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 10 square. So 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2, because we are shifting it to the right side. 10 to the power of minus 2 means x is equal to minus 2. So, log 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. This is your answer. Now, 8th bit. What is 8th bit, children? 8th bit is log 8 by 27 to the base 2. Let us suppose that log 8 by 27 to the base 2 is equal to x. What does this imply? 2 to the power of x is equal to 8 by 27. So, that means 2 to the power of x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cubes, 27 can be written as 3 cubes. That means 2 by 3 whole cube. Okay, children, you are getting here. This is also 2 by 3, children. 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole to the power of x you will be getting. So 2 by 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. So x is equal to how much, children? 3. Therefore, log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3 is equal to 3. This is the answer. Now, let us go to the 9th problem. Yeah, now we will go to the 9th bit. 9th bit of this exercise 1.5. What is the 9th bit? It is 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. What you can write it, children? We know a formula. What is the formula? A to the power of m plus n can be written as a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So this is a to the power of m plus n. So let me split it in this way. This can be written as a to the power of m is 2 square into, again a means base 2, to the power of log 3 to the base 2. We are getting it like this. 2 to the power of log 3 to the base 2. 2 square means 4 into. Here we are getting 3, children. The reason here you have got this as a log n to the base a in this formula. This is one more law, children. A into log n to the base a is equal to n. This is one more property that you have to learn. So basing on this, we are getting 4 3s are 12. So 2 square plus log 3 to the base 2 value is 12. This is the answer for 9th bit. Please copy, children. Now, I will do with the second problem. What is the second problem given here? The second problem is write the following expressions as log n and find their values. So first we have to write as log n, and also you have to find the value. So in these cases, the first one that you are getting here is log 2, first bit, log 2 plus log 5. I have already told you earlier, children, whenever you have got numbers, consider the base as 10. Log 2 to the base 10 plus log 5 to the base 10. This can be written as log 2 into 5 to the base 10. The reason is log a plus b. Log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is equal to log ab. This is the formula we are using. So this is nothing but log 10 to the base 10. Here one more property, children. Log any number to the same base is equal to 1. This is one more property. Log n to the base n is equal to 1. So log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So this one will be the answer for this problem. Second bit. What is the second bit? Log 16 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. So what is this, children? Log 16 to the base 2. The second bit, log 16 to the base 2. What you will write, children, here? Log 16 by 2 to the base 2. The reason is log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. This is in the form of log a minus log b. So what did I do? Log a minus log b is nothing but log a by b. So I have taken it here. 2 1 2 8. So what I am getting? Log 8 to the base 2. So we have written this in the form of log n. But the thing is, you have to find its value. So let log 8 to the base 2 is equal to x. This implies 2 to the power of x is 8. 8 means 2 cube. So 2 to the power of x is 2 cube. Therefore x is equal to 3. So you have found out the answer, as well as you have written it in the form of log n. Please copy it. Now, third bit. Log 4 to the base 64. This I can write it as log 4 cube to the base 64. Log a to the power of n to the base any number. I will write log x to the power of n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. This is what the property. So you have got in this way this log 3 log 4 to the base 64. So what did I write? This I have written in this form. That is the power form I have written. What is log 4 cube, children? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Log 64 to the base 64. Already we have written this is nothing but 1. Why? Because log n to the base n is equal to 1. So the value is 1. We have written 1 in the form of single log. You can do it in another way also, children, but the easiest way I am teaching. This is the easiest way for you. Next, fourth bit. The fourth bit is 2 log 3. 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. So again, I can write it as, here also what you can do, you can take it as base 10 and base 10. So I can write it as log 3 square to the base 10 minus log 2 cube to the base 10. This means log 9 to the base 10 minus log 8 to the base 10. This is nothing but log 9 by 8 to the base 10. Yes or no, children? Log 9 by 8 to the base 10. Why do you get it as 9 by 8 to the base 10? The reason is log A minus B is nothing but log A by B. Log 9 by 8 to the base 10. Actually, with this we will conclude it. Because if you want to write it as solution, you want to write it 10 to the power of x will be equal to 9 by 8. You cannot make it. So, this itself is the answer for this. Copy it. Now, let us go to the fifth problem. Fifth bit here is log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. So this can be written as log 10 to the base 10 plus log 3 square minus log 2 to the base. This can be written as log 10 to the base 10, log 10 to the base 10, same base now, so you can write it as 1 plus log 3 square to the base 10 is nothing but log 9 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. That means we will be writing it as 1 log, or we take it as log 10 to the, because we are taking log as it is log 10 to the base 10, that is log 10 into 9 by 2. Plus means A into B. Minus means division. So how much you are getting, children? Log 90 by 2 to the base 10, of course. Log 90 by 2 to the base 10, 2 4s are 2 5s are. So what you are getting? Log 45 to the base 10. Log 45 to the base 10 is the answer for it. So in these two cases, the earlier problem and here, we need to find out its value, means you cannot do it because power 10 to the power of x will be equal to 45. 45 you cannot make it as the same base of 10. So we have to consider this itself is the answer for it. So I hope you have followed this, children. Next, we will go to the third problem. Third problem here is evaluate. You have to Evaluate. What is evaluate? They have given here. Evaluate x and y in terms of x and y, where they have given x value is log 5. Log 3 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2 is x. Y is equal to log 5 to the base 2. So you have to substitute in the place of this x, in the place of this y. So what is the first bit? You have got log 15 to the base 2. Log 15 to the base 2, you can write it as log 15 means 3 into 5 to the base 2. Means log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. What is log 3 to the base 2, children? X. What is log 5 to the base 2? Y. So you are getting x plus y as the answer for this problem. Now, second bit, log 7.5 to the base 2. That means log 75 by 10 to the base 2. We can take 5 2s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are. So you will be writing it as log 15 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Because a by b is a minus b. So log 15 to the base 2, once again log 3 into 5 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. This is log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2 minus log 2 to the base 2. Log 3 to the base 2 you have got x plus log y to the base 2 you have got y minus log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Already I have explained. Log value of sum with the same base is 1. So x plus y minus 1 is the answer. Please copy it. Now, let us go to the third bit. Now the third bit is log 60 to the base 2. So why don't you find the prime factorizations of 60? 2 3s are 0, 2 1s are 5 and 3 5s are. So log 60 can be written as log 2 square into 3 into 5 to the base 2. That means log 2 square means log 2 square to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. This can be written as 2 log 2 to the base 2. This 2 has gone this side. Log x to the power of n to the base a is equal to n log x to the base a. So basing on that 2 I have taken it here plus log 3 to the base 2 plus log 5 to the base 2. That is 2 into 1. Children, here again. Log 2 to the base 2 is 1 plus log 3 to the base 2 is x plus log 5 to the base 2 is y. That means 2 plus x plus y. This is the answer of the problem. Now, fourth bit, log 6750 to the base 2. So first you take 6750, find the prime factors. We can go with the 5. 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 5 5s are 0. 5 2s are, 5 7s are 0. With the 3 9s are 0. 3 30s are, 3 10s are, and then 2 5s are. So what we are getting it, children? Log 5 to the power of how many 5s? 1 2 3. 5 cube into 3 cube into 2. 5s 3 are there, children. So 5 cube. 3s 3 are there. So 3 cube and 1 2. This can be written as to the base 2 here. Log 5 cube to the base 2 plus log 3 cube to the base 2 plus log 2 to the base 2. So what you will write it here, children? 3 log 5 to the base 2 plus 3 log 3 to the base 2 plus log 2 to the base 2. So this is nothing but 3 into 5 to the base 2 is y plus 3 into 3 to the base 2 is x plus 2 to the base 2 is 1. So you will be getting as 3x plus 3y plus 3x plus 1 is the answer for this problem, children. So with this I will conclude my topic, and the next part I will be doing in the next class. Bye.